Hi guys, we are back with another video. I've been getting requests to make this video for a minute now, so I went ahead and do it for you guys. Can you guess? Well, I guess you can guess by the title. We are making bouillon. Like always, I'm gonna keep it quick and simple. So let's just get right into it. Alright, let's check out the ingredients. We have goat meat, vinegar, salt, lime to wash the meat. Then we have carrot, plantain, potatoes, malanga, yam, watercress, spinach, flour, Haitian blended spices, hot pepper, and chicken cube. First thing first, we are going to wash our meat with lime, salt, and vinegar. I'll be back after that's done. We're done washing the meat. Now I'm gonna add some lime juice, some Haitian blended spices, hot pepper, chicken cube. We are going to let them cook until they get tender. While we wait on the meat, we are going to start with the peeling. We're gonna peel the potatoes, yam, malanga, carrot, and plantain. All done, I added them to some water and vinegar so they don't change color. Time to prep my favorite, which is the dumpling. Depends on how many you want to make. I have about 3 cups of flour, 1.5 cup of water, and 1 tablespoon of salt. Then we mix. Alright, this is how I make my dumpling. Like this. And then you roll it in between your hands. Roll it, roll it. If you want them bigger, you can make them bigger. If you want them smaller, you can make them smaller too. That's it. Guys, we did all that while the meat is still being cooked. It takes longer to cook. So, yeah, while it's cooking, you guys can go ahead and do the prepping so you don't waste time. The spinach. The yam. Plantain. Water. We will add the rest later because they don't need that much boiling. So yeah, I'll be back. Now I'm gonna add the carrot, potatoes, and malanga. Add more water. We are going to add the dumpling now. Last, we are going to add the watercress. We are going to let it cook for a few more minutes and then we are done. Thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe if you haven't done so. Oh, also comment down below what's your favorite thing to eat in bouillon. Mine is dumpling. Yeah, I love dumplings. So let me know in the comment section what you like more in bouillon, and share. Did I say that? Subscribe if you haven't done so. Hit the bell notification to be notified when I post new videos. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.